Hello, this is Bob Joyner, and I'm recording this short video on Sunday, September the 13th, 2020. And last week I did a review of the charts of the S&P 500. I wanted to give you a quick update. Also wanted to show you the trades from this past week for both the day trading program and the swing trading program that I've been talking about in some recent videos. And just give you one last chance to sign up for either program if you wanted to do that. So I'll keep it pretty brief today. In front of us is a chart of the S&P 500. This is a daily chart on the left using Heikin-Ashi candles, and on the far right this is a 1 hour chart. This purple shaded area is my own sort of thing called J Kumo, which is an area of overhead resistance. And the candles in both cases are conditional colored candles, which if you've seen my previous videos you've heard me talk about that as well. So one of the areas I talked about in last week's video was this 38% fib line. That's roughly where the orange line is there. Down the bottom of the chart. And so we have been debating this area. We've come back up and we came back down and made some new lows slightly on Friday, but overall the trend is still very bearish and yet to be determined what's going to happen. One of the other charts I wanted to show you is another one that uses both the 50 simple moving average and the 100 simple moving average. So as you can see on the far left chart, I've expanded out this daily chart to show the retracement here down to this 38% fib line. So just above this 50% simple moving average is where that 38% fib line is. So what will be interesting is to see if what happens when price comes to debate this area of the 50 SMA, and then we have Fibonacci retracements down below that level, back down in here at this time. So right now, of course, the 50 is above the 100 because we've had this huge long running trend up in the market, but this is a pretty significant retracement down to test the 38% fib line and now to test the 50 SMA. So we'll see what happens. Not trying to predict anything, just telling you the lines that I'm going to watch. So based on that price action of this past week, as you can see on the far right panel, where price came up and debated some areas of overhead resistance and then came and fell back down again. Based on that activity is the way I posted trades in both services this past week. So for example, on Tuesday, 9/8/2020, posted 4 trades in the morning chat room. 3 of those trades, as you can see, were short. 1 of those was a long. All 4 trades hit their targets. On Wednesday, posted 2 shorts and 1 long. All trades hit their targets. On Thursday, I posted 3 shorts and 1 long. The only trade that did not hit its target all week was RCL up in here, the long actually. And then on Friday, posted 4 trades, 3 shorts, 1 long. All trades hit their targets. And by hitting their targets, I mean they hit their targets by noon each day. Okay? So they were not swing trades, they were day trades using the conditional colored candles that I've been talking about. So 14 out of 15 trades hit their targets. The one that did not, actually I warned about it before it hit its 2% stop, and that was on RCL. And in this context here of the daily and the 1 hour chart that I just posted, you can see the bears and bulls scan that I do. The scan of the SPY down here is broken up into 10 different check marks. Okay, the first 10 check marks are the weekly chart, and as we saw, the 50 is still above the 100 SMA, so that's still mostly bullish on the weekly chart. But the daily chart, which is the next 10 check marks, decidedly more bearish, and then the 1 hour charts obviously completely bearish. So it's a pretty bearish looking score. I think it ended up being 73% bear score at the end of this past week. So that's our context. So based on that context, the picks that I made in the Bears and Bulls swing trading service, which is a separate service, these are the picks, and these are the end of the week Bears and Bulls scores. So for the week, there were 5 picks. I actually made 2 picks on Thursday, One was a qualified short, FTNT. One was a qualified long, which is EMN. So kind of split up and did a straddle there of the market on that day. So I'm not going to post the charts and give you all the details for that. All those trades are still active for that group, but that gives you the bears and bulls scores for those trades. So I've been going over both chat room results and swing trading results for the past couple of weeks now, and probably you've seen some of those videos. So there's a link beneath this video if you're interested in signing up for either service. It's either Stock Talk, which is the day trading chat room, or Bears and Bulls, which is the swing trading service. So there's a link there beneath. So the key question that most people ask is, will this work for me? And the fact is that you don't really know, do you? If you haven't tried it, then you don't know. So here's my suggestion, and I'm trying to make this as risk-free as possible for you. Sign up for the program that matches up with your trading account and your available time for trading. You know if you qualify to be a day trader or not. You know if you have the time each morning to sit in there in the chat room and follow those trades along with me, or you may not. In either system though, whether you're day trading or swing trading, either way, paper trade with me for 2 weeks. Give it your complete focus. Just don't approach it half baked. Give it your complete focus and really give it your all. So if you feel comfortable enough after 2 weeks, then take a few small positions. Dip your toe in the water. Don't just jump in with everything, okay? And then after 4 weeks, evaluate your experience, evaluate your results, and see how it worked out for you. That's the only way you're going to know. And don't make the mistake of grouping me up with a lot of this overhyped junk that's out there about trading services. If I'm not helping you become a better trader, more profitable trader, then cancel within 30 days and you'll get a full refund. But if this small investment pays off, 3 times, 5 times, 10 times the amount of your investment for either service, then why would you want to quit, right? So I encourage you to go ahead and sign up. There's really no risk at all. You can try it out. If you don't like it, I'll give you a refund. But the only way you're going to really find out is to try it out, all right? So hope the best for your trading, and hopefully see you soon.